Yeah, welcome to my word once more. This time around, we shan't be wasting too much time. Just go straight to the point of the many mistakes, important mistakes that we could make, and then our results as regards measuring our glucose. Do it yourself is very common these days. The first mistake we can make is when we buy our glucometer. The glucometer is what is used to measure our blood glucose. When we buy the glucometer and we just buy it anyhow without looking out for the regulatory approval, that once we are able to, because in any part of the world they have different regulatory body. In Nigeria we use the Medical Laboratory Science Council regulatory body that certify all these products. The product, once it is certified, then one can be rest assured that it will perform the responsibility of giving you reproducible results that could help in your treatment or maintenance of your health. Now the glucometer is like this. It contains the glucometer. This is the needle for the strip for testing. Is the strip that really sucks in the blood. Now this is the linen, the alcohol for swabbing. I prefer recommending alcohol to swab the fingers than going to wash with the hand, because the blood you need is very minute, 40 microliter. Washing with the hand will likely dilute the blood, but with alcohol will evaporate quickly and very good. You can see if I'm going to use this finger, I just need to use the alcohol strip from the one I have turned, and then use it to clean this finger very well. You will see after cleaning, it comes out, it removes the dirt. You can easily see the dirt. Having done that, then you want to put the needle in the punch, the one that you punch your finger, which you dip in and then you cover. Then once it is done, you just put the finger and pow, the blood will now come out. That will be demonstrated practically, but I'm only using this so that we can know the mistake we make. So like I said, the first mistake is making sure that it's calibrated and be certified that it's okay. Then the second mistake we make is the code. This code helps to calibrate the glucometer. You must use the code that matches the code of the strip. Whatever the number is on this code, you can see it has a number, and that has to match with the strip number. If they don't match, you are surely going to get a wrong result. If you use the wrong code to test, then the third error mistake we could make is starting wrongly the strip. When you want to start, you start the right part. That is, once you put this right part in, it starts blipping. There is no battery right now in it, but it starts blipping and asking you to apply the blood. Maybe you punch yourself and then you put it in, it sucks in the blood, and that starts reading within 20 to 30 seconds. The result should be out, and that we shall demonstrate practically with somebody doing very soon. So I have told you the first mistake is being certified by a regulatory body. The second mistake is making sure that the code matches. The third is putting the right part of this strip, putting it in and punching, letting blood come out. Don't allow the blood to dry. It will not suck in. You will just waste your strip. The blood should be pressed to come out enough. This will not take more than enough. Once it has taken enough, you hear the sound pimp and you withdraw. So that makes you leave and you're allowed to read, and after that you have to dispose of everything. You must dispose of everything in a way that will not injure another person. But the probably the last mistake, well, one of the mistakes too, is not to record your result, because when you are able to record your result and date, you will know your last reading. When it is too high, your blood is too high, then you know you need to take your diabetes or glucose, or if you are on insulin, then you take the insulin. But when it's normal or too low, probably you just need to eat a little to let it rise, because it will be wrong of you to go and take your drug that will allow the cell to absorb these things, and you are not eating when you are supposed to even help the body to have more glucose. So let's go into the practical demonstration. Thank you for watching. You can start by using the cotton bulb to clean the finger using methylated spirit. You can see that cleaning, it helps the hand to be free of dirt. Then the lady inserts the strip appropriately and use the machine to really prick. That's the finger prick. The finger prick will be done with a sound and the blood will come out. You can see the blood out. The needle, this glucometer is now used to collect the sample, and that is what's happened. Within 4 seconds, the result is out. You can convert this by dividing it with 18, and you get your milli.